Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Coke and this is Chewing with Coke. So I hope everybody out there is having a wonderful, wonderful Sunday, okay? So as y'all can see from the picture, I found new findings, okay? And this one is Carlin's Finest. So, yeah, so this is what I found. Shopping around, looking for some Christmas decorations. And it's only $1.99. So we're going to tap in. We're going to see what it's about. Let's see what it's about, baby. Now, if it's nasty, I'm going to have to switch it up for y'all. Yeah. But I hope y'all out there having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Sunday. So far, mine is going good. As normal, because, you know, try not to let that stuff get to me at all. We don't do that over here. But yeah, in the meantime, guys, what I say all the time, let's eat. So we're going to see what it do. I don't want to do too much because I don't know. Let's see what this squeak is about, though. Mmm. 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 Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, come through with the come through. This is kind of alright. Let me just, you know, sometimes you need to warm up your mouth. Let's try again. Let's see what it's about. This time, let's do a big spoon. Mmm. Let's eat. Mmm. 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 This is alright with me. Mmm. 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 Baby, y'all better go find y'all some. Okay, you ain't gonna tell me. Okay, now. This is good. It's good. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all out there having a wonderful day. Y'all not letting nothing or no one ruin it. But yeah, your girl, you know, I'm trying to put more videos up. Trying. But whenever I get a chance to, you know, I'm coming to touch this screen, okay? But yeah, I miss y'all. So, this is the month of December. I hope everybody out there got their Christmas list ready. Everybody was good. You know, I hope everybody get what they want. But in the meantime, let's eat some more. Another big spoon, okay? Let's eat. Mmm. 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 Don't tell me y'all don't hear that squeak. Okay? That squeak lasted for like over a minute. Bomb.com. Okay? So, you better know it. Oh, this is a good find. Okay? But in the meantime, I don't even want to stop. I just want to eat again. Let's do it. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. I just gotta do it again. I just gotta do it again. I was at that. I'm about to end my video. No, I have to do it again. That's how it just tastes a little bit like Argo, but Argo is better. But I just like that I like the thickness of it. Like, you see, like cream is too like thin, like fluffy, but it's good. Like it makes you want to just. It's like you forget that you're eating it. You get what I'm saying? But this is just like, let's eat. Cheers to you. Mm-mm, 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 mm, 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 mm-hmm. Mm.